Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with a one-word collab that I did last night with Millie, the silent crafter, over on her channel. And the date was October 25th, 2021. Almost forgot the year. I made a little page for any magazine book that you want to make, and the printable that I use was from Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, and this is her Christmas Nomi, or Snomi as she calls it. What I did is I printed out all 7 pages, and I took the background, I put it all on cardstock, and I took the background here. Then I cut out all the pieces from the other pages and put them on here, and this is the results. This came off for one page, the gnome and snowman, and this little tree came off another. This I created. All of this came off of another page. The decor you see here came off of another page, and I saved the scraps for it because I have an idea what I'm gonna do with it. Then I did another background and folded it into a elongated card. I put it this way instead of this way because it wouldn't fit the other way to fit the gingerbread house and all this. Now this is from the same kit, same printable kit that I made this with, okay? I cut out the gingerbread house, the snow, mountains of snow here, the little lollipop candies I call them, little swirly candies, the snow here, another swirly candy here, 2 of the candy canes, and a snowman. That's my 2 projects I did last night with Millie the Silent Crafter here on YouTube. We did a live last night, and I did this. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, or for when I go live or do a premiere. Also, down below in the description, I will have the links to these digis, or printables I call them. Everybody else calls them different. And also the link to Millie the Silent Crafter's YouTube channel. So I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And also be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget.